To open an Etrade account and buy stocks, start by going to the Etrade website and clicking on the Open an Account button. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open, such as a brokerage account or an IRA. Select the account that best fits your needs and follow the prompts to enter your personal and financial information. Once you have completed the application, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or by mailing a check. The funding process typically takes a few days, so be patient. After your account is funded, you can start buying stocks. To do this, log into your Etrade account and click on the Trade button. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy and select the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per share. For example, if you want to buy 10 shares of Apple stock, you would enter the ticker symbol AAPL and select 10 shares. If you want to set a limit price, you would enter the price you are willing to pay, such as $100 per share. Before you make a trade, make sure you understand the fees associated with buying and selling stocks. Etrade charges a commission fee for each trade, which can range from $0 to $6 per trade, depending on the type of account you have and the frequency of your trades. It is also important to understand the concept of market orders and limit orders. A market order is an order to buy or sell a stock at the current market price, while a limit order is an order to buy or sell a stock at a specific price. Limit orders can help you avoid buying a stock at a price that is higher than you are willing to pay. In addition to understanding the fees and order types, it is also important to have a solid understanding of the stock market and the risks associated with investing in stocks. Stocks can be volatile, and their value can fluctuate rapidly. It is essential to do your research and set clear investment goals before making a trade. Finally, consider setting up a diversified portfolio by investing in a variety of stocks and other assets. This can help you manage risk and increase your potential for long-term returns. Etrade offers a variety of tools and resources to help you get started, including educational materials and customer support.